In this video, I'll show you how to add images to your Anki flashcards. For this example, we're going to create a simple country recognition flashcard with the flag of Spain on one side and the word Spain on the other. Let's get started. First, open Anki and select the deck where you want to add the flashcard. Next, click the Add button at the top of the screen. Make sure the note type is set to Basic. For this example, we'll put the image on the front of the card and the answer on the back. Click inside the front field. Now click the Attachments button in the Editor toolbar. Browse your computer and select the image you want to add, that is the Spanish flag for me. Once selected, the image will appear in the front field. Now all I need to do is clicking inside the back field and type Spain. Then click Add and the flashcard is now complete. The front side shows the flag of Spain, and when you reveal the answer, the back side shows the word Spain. Let's quickly test it. Return to your deck and click Study Now. When the card appears, you'll see the Spanish flag on the screen. Try to identify the country before revealing the answer. Click Show Answer and you'll see Spain on the back of the card. This same method can be used for many subjects. Language learners can add pictures and vocabulary words. Medical students can add anatomy diagrams. Geography students can use country flags, maps, and landmarks. Science students can use charts, molecules, and labeled images. Adding images makes flashcards more visual and can significantly improve memory retention. And that's all there is to it. To add images to Anki flashcards, create a new card, click the image icon, select your image, enter your answer on the opposite side, and save the card. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.